Ever feel like your spare change is just disappearing? Slipping through your fingers like sand? You're not alone. We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a simple way to capture that loose change and turn it into something meaningful? Something that actually grows? Well, today we're diving deep into the Raiz Roundup feature, a clever little tool that can supercharge your savings journey. Let's be honest, saving money can feel like a constant uphill battle. Life throws curveballs, unexpected bills, social events, that irresistible urge to splurge on a new gadget. Before you know it, your hard-earned cash has vanished, and your savings goals feel further away than ever. But what if saving could be effortless? What if you could automate the process, making it so seamless you barely even notice it? That's where Raiz Roundup comes in. This nifty feature basically rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and automatically invests the difference. Let's say you buy a coffee for $3.75. Raiz will round that up to $4, investing the extra 25 cents on your behalf. Seems small, right? But those tiny drops add up incredibly quickly. Imagine rounding up every single purchase you make, groceries, coffee, that online shopping spree you might have slightly overindulged in. It all adds up to a significant sum over time. But it's not just about the convenience. Roundup encourages a powerful habit, consistent, automated saving. By making micro-investments a part of your daily routine, you're building a strong foundation for your financial future. And with Raiz, you have the flexibility to choose from a range of diversified investment portfolios, tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Now, you might be thinking, but what if I need that extra change? What if I need to adjust my roundup amount? No worries. Raiz gives you complete control. You can easily pause or adjust your roundup settings whenever you need to. It's all about finding a balance that works for you. So, are you ready to turn your spare change into a powerful investment tool? Ready to make saving effortless and watch your money grow? Then head over to the Raiz app and activate the Roundup feature today. It's a small change that can make a big difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.